that time that I need to color my hair. Ow. I used to do it every other month. And honestly now I do it like every 4 months-ish. So this is really bad. I do have to leave my hair dirty for quite a while before, but you can't tell I do have grays already. But get it out my husband. Ow. Ow. My hair is actually starting to get better with how badly it would tangle in the back. Thank goodness, because it was getting to the point where I was just ready to shave the whole back part of my head, because it would get so, I had knots and knots right here. But yeah, next weekend we have plans. My in-laws are coming back from vacation, so they've been gone for a while, so I know they're going to be here, so I'm not going to have time to do this. So I'm definitely needing to refresh this. If you haven't been here for a while, I do have a video on how I do it. I have not changed anything from it, guys. I still use L'Oreal Red, and it is a volume of 40 or 30 depending on how I feel, really, to be honest. But yeah, I've done this forever. I mean, I was in beauty school, but I dropped out. It's like I always say that I learned how to do my hair, my red hair, and then I dipped. All right, let me just do this before I keep talking. Alright guys, the measurements are usually in the back of the box. I've been doing this so long, I don't even measure anything anymore. I just kind of pour it in, mix it up, and put it on. Not recommended. Love this look. I'll leave it on for like 30 minutes, and then I wash my hair, and then I re-wash everything in the shower. Triple wash to make sure everything is out. Right now I'm gonna wash my hair in the sink. Alright, so I normally wash my hair with hot water, and then cold water to make sure it sticks. Nothing better than freshly colored hair. Of course, I still have a little bit of stain, but that goes away, honestly, like in a day. But nice and colored. Feel like a brand new woman. Alright, first things first, let's make some breakfast. Alright, so you're gonna go ahead and cut up a full onion. Cut it into smaller pieces. I was trying to cut them into even smaller because of my munchkin. Put it on a frying pan with some oil until it is nicely cooked, and then add the chorizo. I added 2. Then you're gonna go ahead and stab it up so it is completely separated. I used 5 eggs and I scrambled that up, and then you're gonna apply it to the chorizo. And boom, chorizo con huevo. The most easy breakfast ever. Warm up your tortillas, make your tacos, and you're ready to eat. Alright guys, I really have to clean my bathrooms. This is like the least fun chore to do, but the best chore because you go so many times a day, right? Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm wiping out my daughter's diaper, Jeannie, and then I am here cleaning the toilet. You know, the funness of cleaning the toilet. Make sure everything's nice and sanitized, since I do have a toddler who likes touching the toilet. Then I'm gonna go ahead and clean the sink and the mirror, and of course sanitizing the sink as well. Don't forget to also sanitize the cabinet. I'm sorry if I'm whispering, guys. I am hiding from my toddler. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take everything down from the shower before I spray the tile cleaning stuff, because of course that's chemicals and I don't want them on her toys. Then I'm wiping down the windows on both sides, and I'm gonna go ahead and also wipe down the tile and the walls. This is actually what I call light cleaning, guys. Then I'm wet Swiffering the floor. I did dry Swiffer, and I guess I didn't film it. And then that is it. Light the candle, and your bathroom is nice and clean. All right, that is it for the bathroom. I couldn't film parts of it because my daughter was literally holding my leg. My mom made tostadas. And here I am putting together my tostada and eating it. It was delicious, guys. It was delicious. And then since my mom cooked, I obviously washed my dishes. She offered, but I was like, it's okay, I'm filming, so I'll wash them. So yeah, I washed the dishes, put away the dishes, and my kitchen is nice and clean right now. I didn't film everything in detail because my baby was running around, but I filmed what I could. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.